Hey traders, last week we got a winning streak with my students in my premium group. In this video I will show you how we spotted these trading opportunities, how we treated the setups and how we managed them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. So what to watch today? For today I see a very nice potential pullback trade on pound dollar pair. As you know, we got a very strong bearish rally on pound dollar, and from that structure high we got a phenomenally strong bearish movement. Yes, you can see that so far the price lost more than 2.5%. Yes, very strong structure there. And you can see that right here, at the moment, the price is approaching quite strong horizontal structure support. Yes, I guess you see that structure. Very strong horizontal structure right here, based on the confluence between the 618 retracement, yes, of the last bullish impulse, and of the strong horizontal structure. And watching how the price reacts to this structure, you can see that once this structure was reached, the market started to coil. As you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we have a perfect example of the inside bar formation. Yes, look, the market is currently trading within the range of this bearish candle. Yes, we call that the mother's bar, and you can see that for now the price is stuck within that structure. Yes, it is a local moment of indecision. And if we open hourly time frame, here I see very nice double bottom formation, yes, with a quite extended neckline. Yes, here is our neckline. Let me change the color of that for you, by the way. Let's make it yellow. So you can see that here we have quite wide neckline. This neckline is based on that structure right here and on that structure. And you can see that for now the neckline looks respected. What I'm looking for today on pound dollar, I want to see a bullish breakout of the neckline to the upside. Yes, I want to see the hourly candle close above that structure to buy the market, yes, on a retest. So watch carefully. Once we see the hourly candle close above, yes, we will buy in a retest, expecting a bullish continuation. Our entry will be around 134.037 level. Stop will lie above the lows of the pattern, and our initial target will be that structure right here. Yes, I hope you see that structure right here, quite peculiar one. So we can catch here a nice pullback trade. I guess here I will trade this trading setup just with one target. I won't extend the targets right here, and I guess once that level is reached, our target level is reached, I will close the entire trading position. Considering the break-even point is lying around 134.7 level. And once that level is reached, I will move my stop to entry. For now, you can see that I have the alert lying above the neckline. Yes, once the price attempts to violate the neckline, I will be notified. Yes, that is how we manage the breakout trades. First, pound dollar pair. As you remember, traders, on pound dollar pair we opened a long trade last week. Yes, we spotted a tiny little double bottom formation. Yes, then the neckline of this double bottom was broken to the upside. Yes, we got the retest. Now the trade is running, and you can see that after a very nice bullish movement, the price returned back to our entry level. Yes, and now the market is trading slightly above our entry level. So I will keep holding my trading position. Yes, for now it still looks positive. For now, the key level from where we bought the market is still strong. Yes, and moreover, I wanted to show you then one more very cute trading setup that I took this morning is on Aussie dollar pair. Let's open the 3D chart first. Opening a 3D chart, you can see that here on the left we have a very strong horizontal structure. Yes, very strong horizontal key level here on Aussie dollar, respected many times in a row in the past. And you can see that once that structure was reached, on a 4-hour time frame, we formed a doji candle right here, and then a sequence of nice bullish candles. And then look what I spotted on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, during the US session on Friday, the price formed a double bottom formation. Yes, you can see here we have this double bottom. Here we got its neckline, yes, and the price violated its neckline to the upside. And early in the morning, 7 a.m., the price retested the broken neckline of this double bottom. So I took a long trade, and currently I have active long position right here. And for now, I expect a bullish movement to that structure. Let's look at the structure briefly, a bit higher even. Yes, to that level. Yes, so my trade is active. My break-even point is lying right here. Yes, once the price reaches that level, I will move my stop to entry and will make my position risk-free. What about the second target? Considering the second target, let's open the 4-hour time frame. Putting a 4-hour time frame, our next strong resistance is right here. Yes, quite strong structure shelf right here. So if we measure our risk to reward for the second goal, it is around 3.5. Yes, very nice long position right here. Yes, again, it is purely rule based. It is a key level, very strong horizontal key level. I guess we can even call that weekly key level. We have a very nice doji candle and bullish candles on a 4-hour time frame, and we have a very cute double bottom with the high level on hourly time frame with the confirmed neckline breakout. Then I see a question about dollar CAD pair. Yes, bro, let's take a look at this one together. Dollar CAD pair on a daily time frame is currently accumulating. You can see that on a daily time frame, the market has formed the ascending triangle formation. We have the high lows right here. We have the equal highs right here. And recently stating that high low right here, the market started to grow. At the moment, the market is testing that horizontal structure. We cannot call that a key level. Rather, it is just a daily structure. Yes, not a major structure. And on a 4-hour time frame, once the structure was reached, for some time we were coiling, and then the price started to fall nicely. On hourly time frame, the price formed this cute rising wedge pattern. Yes, and a double top formation within its boundaries. Yes, with the low high. And then also the price violated its neckline to the downside, and the price broke the support line of the wedge. So, as I told you, it is not a major level. So for our top-down trading strategy, this setup is not applicable. However, I shorted the pair on my scalping account. Yes, for those of you who are with me here for a quite long period of time, you know that I have a scalping account as well. And on my scalping account, I take riskier trading setups. So here I took a short trade with my stop loss lying above the highs of this double top, and my initial target being that horizontal structure support right here. Yes, and the second target being right here. Yes, but again, as I told you, it is the scalp trade. Yes, scalping trades are riskier. Yes, the win rate on scalping trading setups is usually lower. So consider that. Yes, definitely consider that in your analysis. And if you have just one single trading account, it is highly preferable to apply reduced risk once you take scalp trades. Yes, so I hope that is clear. But anyway, the outlook is very bearish on dollar CAD. Yeah. So let's start with the updates for the trades that we discussed yesterday. First of all, Aussie dollar trade. Yes, Aussie dollar trade reached our first target. Yes, I hope that you managed to be involved in this trade, because the key level that we spotted right here, yes, the confirmation here was brilliant. Yes, and after the retest, the market is rallying nicely. And this morning, early this morning, the first goal was reached. I closed 50% of profits already. The trade is risk-free right now, and my stop, moreover, is adjusted. Currently, my stop is lying below this high level. Yes, and I'm patiently waiting for the test of my second target. Yes, so very nice trade. Then yesterday we also discussed a scalping opportunity on dollar CAD pair. Yes, this one. And again, very nice result right here. Yes, once the price reached the entry point, yes, we were nicely rejected, and then the price formed a very nice high momentum bearish engulfing candle. And again, this morning the first target was reached. Again, 50% of profits closed right here. Yes, stop move to entry, and the position is risk-free right now. So patiently waiting for the test of the second target right here. You can see that our second target is quite far from current price levels, so let's hope that the market will drop lower. Yes, let's see. I hope that the pair will keep falling, because risk to reward for the second target for this trade is phenomenal. Yes. Then pound dollar pair. Pound dollar almost reached our target. Yes, if we check, I guess the price, how many pips right here? Yes, the distance between the current high and our take profit level is just 4 pips. Yes, so I hope that we will be there quite soon. I hope that today bulls will manage to reach this structure and we will close this trade. You can see that the market is rallying nicely. We are very close to the structured level that we spotted for our target. So let it reach our target, traders. Yes, very nice trade here as well. And also the trade here is risk-free. Yes, I moved my stop to entry right here. Yes, and I hope that you did the same thing. Yes. And then gold. I guess we will start today with pound dollar. It turned out that our first target is reached. Yes, our goal right here is reached, and I decided to close the trade. Yes, the profit is made right here. We made right here 83 pips of profit, and it looks like the market is going higher. It looks like the market managed to violate that low high to the upside, and bulls are pushing the market higher. So you can see that the key level that we spotted here on a daily time frame played out nicely. Yes, and on a daily time frame we have a classic bullish reversal with 3 consequent bullish candles. So for now, further bullish continuation in pound dollar is expected, and the closest strong structural resistance from where we'll look for shorting is based on that trend line right here. Now, concerning dollar CAD pair. Dollar CAD pair is still trading around our first target. Yes, and what I decided to do, I decided to set my stop loss above that low high. Yes, I adjusted my stop loss because it looks like the market started to coil, and in case if that minus structure here is violated to the upside, I guess the pair will go higher. So stop loss right now is adjusted, but I still hope that the pair will manage to go lower. Yes, so let's see what will happen right here. Pound New Zealand pair. Recently, Pound New Zealand broke a key level. If we open the weekly time frame, look, here on the left we got a very strong structure. Yes, very strong demand zone right here, sorry, supply zone. The supply zone was broken to the upside. With the high momentum bullish candle, we closed above that structure on a weekly. Yes, very nice bullish breakout right here. And after the breakout, the price is retesting the broken structure. If we open the hourly time frame, look, here is our structure. Yes, here is our structure. And retesting that structure, the price broke this falling wedge pattern to the upside. And within that wedge pattern, the price formed a double bottom formation. Yes, classic one. Then the price here violated the neckline to the upside. Yes, the neckline of this double bottom was broken to the upside, and on a retest this morning I bought the pair, setting my stop loss below the lows of the pattern and my initial target being that structure right here. Yes, and my break-even point is slightly lower. Here's my break-even point. It is 204,576 level. So I hope that you managed to catch this trading opportunity, traders. Yes, classic example of the top-down trade. Yes, we spotted here weekly structure. It matches with the intraday structure and hourly. Our confirmation here is a bullish breakout of the wedge. Yes, and a double bottom formation within the wedge with the confirmed neckline breakout. So hopefully this one will play out. And moreover, it is a trend following trading setup. So in case if the first target is reached, I will close just 50% of profits, and the rest I will keep for trailing stop. Because if we look left at structure on a 3-day chart, the next strong resistance that we see will be right here. Yes, the structure cluster. So our potential growth right here, our potential profit right here will be enormous. Yes, this is kind of the reward that we may expect from this trade. So monitor that carefully. Yes, if you are not in this trade, set your buy limit order on a retest of a broken neckline. Yes, and let's see how it will play out. Let's start with dollar CAD pair, because dollar CAD pair is coiling. Yes, the pair is consolidating. And what I did again, I decided to adjust my stop loss based on the last low high. Yes, so my stop moved right now. As you can see at the moment, the price is kind of forming here a descending triangle formation, some kind of bearish accumulation pattern. So I decided to adjust my stop loss again and protect my trading position. Yes, and looking at this bullish candle, it looks like the market will be on a bullish side. But who knows? Still, our first target is reached. We already made some money and no risk right here. So let's see. But my stop loss right now is adjusted. Now, update for pound New Zealand. Yes, as you remember, yesterday we discussed this long trade on pound New Zealand. Yes, very nice trading setup right here. Falling wedge pattern, double bottom formation within this wedge, neckline breakout, retest, and bullish continuation. So the trade right here played out nicely, and again here I already closed 50% of profits. And for now, I adjusted my stop loss. My stop loss right now is lying simply below this high lows right here, because as you can see on hourly time frame, the pair formed kind of a head and shoulders pattern right here. Yes, so my stop loss right now moved below this low high. Yes, just in case if the market goes down, we will simply close our trade. Yes, I see a question from Rohit concerning Bitcoin and Ethereum. I wanted to discuss dollar CAD pair. Yes, as you remember, yesterday we adjusted our stop loss. Yes, we moved our stop loss and we were stopped out. Yes, the trade right here is closed. As you remember, we got the low high right here, and we decided to move our stop simply above that low high. So the trade is closed right now. Yes, very nice profit is made right here. As we discussed, it is a scalping trade. It was quite risky, but we managed to make nice profits right here. So well done, traders, and I hope that you managed to be involved in this trade. The next trade is on Aussie dollar. Yes, and yesterday finally it reached the second target. Yes, this trading setup played out nicely, and with this whack right here, the market reached our second target. Yes, and very nice risk reward right here, a very nice profit, a lot of pips, more than 150 pips of pure profit right here, and a very nice top down trade. Then pound New Zealand pair. Let's take a look at this one. As you remember, in pound New Zealand we adjusted our stop loss. We moved our stop loss based on the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, and that was a smart decision because as you can see, then the price dropped. Yes, even though we had an attempt to go higher, the market dropped much lower. Yes, so again, quite nice trade right here. Yes, how many pips? 83 pips of pure profit. Moreover, our trade on Swiss yen is still active. Yes, and the market is going higher and higher. As you can see, we are closer and closer to our first goal, and our break-even point is just in how many pips? In just 37 pips is our break-even point. So I'm patiently waiting for the test of our break-even point to move our stop to entry. So very nice work. Right, traders, and in my premium group, I do such live streams each and every day. From Monday to Friday, I do live streaming. I analyze the market live for you. I show you my trading setups. I show you how I manage my trades. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn price action, top-down analysis, it will be the best place for you to be. Check the link in the description below for more info. Please also like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much, traders.